Hey everyone, I'm back again and we're going to be working on another small canvas. It's an 8x10. This is just a panel board, which I haven't poured on ever, and I'm just trying to do some little canvases just for practice on little size canvas as well as color choices. So I thought I'd show you guys that you can practice on little canvases as well. So let's just get right into it. I've got just my house interior paint, and I'm gonna cover my canvas. My color choices: a bronze, a lime green, a violet purple, and this is that made-up color I created using white with some, I think it was a copper, just like a dot of copper, and it's just warmed up the white iridescent, so it made it like a warm iridescent. So all right, I think we're ready. I almost grabbed my hair dryer, but I'm not using the hair dryer. I'm using this little air gun. All right, let's go. So far, looking good. There. Felt like that was a lot to blow out with this little air thing, with this little air gun. But I think she blew out really pretty. The colors are a little, they're not my favorite color choices. We'll see what it looks like. Maybe it'll grow on me a little more. Let's get going on doing the botanical technique to it. Put the focal point about right here. All right, guys, I think that this one is going to be done. I'm gonna call it done. I'll take you down for a close-up. All right, here we are. Just finished with this one. And I think all in all, this painting looks really good. Color choices. Made some interesting designs on it. I think she actually looks really pretty. Sometimes when you look through your camera, you see different things, so let's clean that up a little. Yeah, for a little canvas, I think she really displays very nicely. So fun. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.